Hey everybody, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. So, last night I was out here with the tractor, trying to scrape the driveway clean, and everything right in here I had cleaned with the tractor out to that pile of snow out there, and I turned and went around. Anyways, I'm going to take the tractor out there right now, get some more cleaned up, and I'm going to move the camera to a better position when I go out with the tractor. So yeah, it snowed a couple more inches since midnight out here. I had across the street there where the VW Jetta is on the left there. I had it all cleaned up and scraped out so Andrew could get his two-wheel drive car in there. And now the city's plowed some more and put up another berm out along both sides of the road. I gotta get that cleaned out too. So that's what I'm gonna get on here. So probably gonna do a little high speed here. Oh, it's hailing. Gotta get back in here. I can't work out there any longer. Okay, man, sure if it's even aiming at me right here. All right, it's coming down out there. I mean, and that is not just snow. You can see it's it's hail coming down. So, and you wonder what's so dark in here? Power went out this morning at 4:30 Mountain Time, and so we've been without power for about 4.5 to 5 hours now. So, whew. But yeah. So I have to manually open and close the door here. All right, so I'm going to take a break here for now, and if I had my other jacket, because when I first started, I just saw some blue sky up there, and so I'm going to get my I may get my my hooded parka on and come back out here a little bit later after when this lightens up and get at it. But let me see if I can move this around and show you where I've been pushing the snow. So get over here in the protection from the house. So I've been pushing the snow out over there, getting that all cleared off. That's why I'm putting the snow. And when I was pushing this way across the street there, I don't know how much if it caught it or not. The snowplow came down, and he was, for some reason, they like to plow into the dirt on this side of the street and leave 4 or 5 feet of the pavement covered on that side. So I was pushing it off. So hopefully they'll do it. And it looks like my daughter's out there on the other side, knocking the hanging snow off the cover over there. I don't know why her husband doesn't get his ass out there and do it. Anyways, it's kind of weird. I mean, it's looking at the truck there. The snow was hanging out the front, and it slid a little bit farther down, and it slid off the front of the truck too. So not sure how that happened, but yeah, gonna be a bit more work here. And the snow is hanging over the edge up there of the roof up there, so that's what's going on. Let me get back inside here before my camera gets wet and ruined. Whew. Oh man. But yeah, so you can see the pile of snow over there. Yeah. I wish the staff sergeant was here, and she could have been out there in this for a minute, and then she would have gotten, we need to get a tractor with a cab on it. All right, so I'll get back at it here later today. Take care.